In a world where Chrome and Safari have ruled for decades, something new has just arrived, and it's not just another browser. It's smart, it's powerful, and it learns from you. OpenAI has officially launched ChatGPT Atlas, a brand new AI-powered web browser. This browser could change the internet forever. Welcome to the future of browsing, where your browser doesn't just show you information, it understands it. ChatGPT Atlas is being called the most ambitious step since the invention of Chrome itself. So today, let's break down what Atlas is, how it works, and why many experts believe it could redefine how we explore the web. Atlas isn't just a browser. It's an AI assistant built directly into the web. Developed by OpenAI, the same company behind ChatGPT, Atlas combines the power of GPT-5 with a full-featured web experience. Instead of typing a search query and scrolling through results, you can now ask the browser directly, "Summarize this article for me," or "Compare the top 3 laptops under $1,000," or even "Book me a flight and summarize recent travel restrictions." And Atlas doesn't just fetch information. It interprets it, summarizes it, and acts on it. Think about how the web works today. You search, click links, open tabs, read, copy, paste, and summarize. That's a long chain of manual steps. Atlas removes all of that. You can literally have a conversation with the internet. For example, "Atlas, show me reviews of the iPhone 17 Pro and tell me which one is worth buying." It will open reviews from trusted sites, analyze them, and deliver a single, balanced answer instantly. This means you spend less time searching and more time understanding. One of Atlas's most exciting innovations is called Agent Mode. In this mode, Atlas can perform multi-step actions on your behalf. For instance, research a topic across multiple sources, write a report or blog post based on that research, even design visuals or send emails, all without leaving the browser. It's like having a digital assistant inside your computer, one that doesn't just follow commands, but thinks about them. Now, one big question everyone is asking: if my browser is powered by AI, is my data safe? According to OpenAI, privacy is a core part of Atlas's design. Your browsing data isn't sold, shared, or used for advertising. Atlas processes most requests locally, meaning the data never leaves your device unless you choose to sync it. In a time when data security is a major concern, this could give Atlas a huge advantage over traditional browsers that rely heavily on ad-based tracking. Let's be real, Chrome, Safari, and Edge have been improving their AI features too. But Atlas isn't just adding AI to browsing. It's rebuilding browsing around AI. Chrome gives you AI suggestions. Edge integrates Copilot. Atlas is the AI. That's the big difference. The browser interface is minimal, focused, and context-aware. If you highlight a paragraph, Atlas automatically offers to summarize or translate it. If you're reading a research paper, it can generate citations or find related studies in seconds. Early testers report that Atlas feels faster and smoother than expected. It's built on a new hybrid framework that uses Chromium for core web rendering, but overlays OpenAI's own lightweight AI layer. So all your favorite extensions, websites, and tools work perfectly. But behind the scenes, the browser learns your preferences, your favorite news sources, writing tone, reading style, and tailors the experience automatically. It's like your personal version of the internet. So, is ChatGPT Atlas really the end of Google Chrome? Maybe not today, but it's certainly the beginning of something new. We've entered an era where your browser isn't a tool. It's a thinking partner, an assistant that reads, analyzes, and builds with you. So what do you think? Will you replace Chrome or Safari with ChatGPT Atlas? Or do you still prefer the classic way of browsing the web? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love exploring the future of AI and technology, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next update might just change everything.